the signal coming from the AC panel enter here in one element before enter in the circuit board. What is the name of that element? And that element allow that the current pass or not with the signal from the thermostat.
It's that white box up there, which I can't remember.
No, what is the name of that element? No, it's not the white box.
No?
Is it a
It's
transformer?
not the white box. Once again, pay attention. The AC signal, 120 or 240, coming from the panel, from the breaker of the panel, enter here, but enter only at the beginning, but no pass to the circuit board until the thermostat send the signal. What is the element that stop the AC current coming from the breaker?
Triac?
The triac. The triac. The triac. Look at the triac, puppies. If you want to stay here, you want to check here, that's the triac. The triac. And the triac received a small signal.
A few days ago.
The triac received the signal from
The
the
thermostat.
thermostat and allow that the current enter in the circuit board. Everybody follow me? Pay attention. What is the symptom when you have a problem with the triac?
You have electricity going through the entire time if you have a broken.
You say, Mr. Lopez, the breaker is perfect. 120, 120, the power is good. I have power on the breaker in both sides of the breaker. My thermostat is perfect.
But isn't the thermostat not going to get power from the
In some cases, those thermostats in the back, they have batteries,
Oh, okay.
like the thermostat in your home. In some boats, they have batteries.
TRI, AC.
All right? Pay attention. What is the symptom? I have power in the breaker, in the panel, AC. The thermostat is good, but the air conditioner no start.
Could it be the system start relay doesn't get power?
Yeah, that's the number one.
Right.
Okay, this is the most important part of this class. If you have cleared that you understand the system. All right, I have power in the breaker.
AC.
In
No,
the AC.
breaker.
Yeah.
No,
In the breaker AC.
Right.
The breaker AC. And the power enter here. Mr. Lopez, I have power here in this black cable. In this black cable, I have 120. But the system is doing nothing. I have power here, but the system is doing nothing. It's because the triac is not receiving the signal. The triac is not receiving the signal.
So it's open. So you haven't sent the signal
It's
to
open.
close.
Is it
The
tri-
triac close when the signal enter from
So is
the.
a triac a relay?
The triac is a relay.
It's a relay.
It's a relay.
So like
It's a
a-
double relay, face to face, back to back. It's a relay, mommy.
Okay.
Pay attention.
Would you take?
The triac receive the power, but not pass the power to the circuit board. Probably because I don't have signal from the thermostat. Remember that the thermostat, how many cables you have in the thermostat connected in the back of the thermostat? One or two?
You have two.
Only one. Only one. All the thermostat only have one plug. That plug enter in one plug of the circuit board. In other plug of the circuit board, you have
Sensor.
The ball.
that sensor. Correct? Be careful. The sensor is not connected with the thermostat. The sensor is connected here in the board. In the thermostat, you only have the data cable to connect the circuit board with the thermostat. Can I replace the thermostat in my boat for other one different?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You don't have any problem. Can I use this one? Yes. Can I use the other one? That one? Yes. No problem. Can I use other one wonderful that I found in eBay? Yes. No problem. You can replace, and all of them they have the same plug,
RJ45.
the same plug for data. Is exactly the same plug for that. Okay, pay attention. All right. Yes, I discovered that my thermostat was and properly connected, or the battery at the thermostat is discharged. I replace the battery, and right now, I have power here, and the triac pass the power. Listo? Okay. Other question. Mr. Lopez, everything is good. The triac is good, the thermostat is good, the power on the breaker is good, but the compressor run 1 hour ago, stop, but right now no start again. The compressor, the equipment, the air conditioning unit was running and stopped suddenly, and right now no start. What is the inconvenience? What is the problem?
High pressure switch?
It's possible.
You start.
The unit was running, stopped suddenly, but right now no start again.
No water?
Pay attention. Remember that the air condition cycle starts here with the compressor. Okay. When everything is good here, this element sends a signal and the current enter here in this element. What is this?
Motor reading.
It's touching the face, it's
Is there
touching.
some sort of thermos?
This is the thermal or
Oh.
overload switch. Thermal switch. What is the other technical name for that switch?
Oh.
In the ABYC study guide? Clixon.
It's here.
Clixon switch. Clixon. Clixon is the manufacturer of that
Oh.
switch.
Okay.
Alright?
It's a thermal switch, right?
It's a thermal switch or thermo switch or overload switch.
Overload.
Correct? Alright. It's thermal because it's
Touching.
It's touching. It's touching here. Okay, I have power here, Mr. Lopez, but not here. Okay, in normal condition, this is a switch normally,
Open.
normally
Close.
closed.
Close, guys.
If everything is okay, if I have power here, I have power here. Because it's
closed.
normally
Closed.
closed. If this temperature is,
Okay.
it's okay, it's accepted. No? Oh, if this is too hot, probably the switch stay open until the temperature of the body go down. Yes or not?
No.
Okay, Mr. Lopez, the body is ambient temperature, and I don't have power in the second terminal. What is the problem?
It's
There's
broken.
a switch.
The thermal switch. Can you replace that thermal switch?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's $10 or $15. Where you buy that thermal switch?
Boat warehouse.
Yeah, any. No, in internet, mama.
Go ahead.
In internet. Can I use the thermal switch of other air conditioning equipment? Or should be exactly that serial number?
No, it should be all the same.
Well, you
pretty
just
much,
have to.
right?
You can use any
Does it-
thermal switch
but does it-
because it's open or closed.
But doesn't
I know,
each
but
compressor like give off a different like thermal reading, like a different temperature?
Different range.
Yeah.
If it's a thermal switch marine, the range is equal.
Okay.
If it's a thermal switch residential, probably the range is a little higher. But you can solve it in the middle of the ocean with other thermal switch from other air conditioning equipment. Okay?